Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an MCQ for 1 mark from the CBSE 2025 board paper. Let's look at the question. In the adjoining figure, PQ parallel to XY parallel to BC, AP is equal to 2 centimeters and PX is equal to 1.5 centimeters and BX is equal to 4 centimeters. If QY is 0.75 centimeters, then AQ plus CY equal to which one of these options? Is it 6, 4.5, 3 or 5.25 centimeters? Let's find out. Now here they've given you in the question that PQ is parallel to XY. Okay, so PQ parallel to XY, which means that AP by PX is equal to AQ by QY. Why is it so? Because of BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem. Now they've given you the value of AP as equal to 2, PX is 1.5 and QY is given to be 0.75, from which we can find the value of AQ by substituting it in the above expression. So we have 2 divided by 1.5 is equal to AQ divided by 0.75. Let me cross multiply. So I would have 2 times 0.75 divided by 1.5 is equal to AQ. Or the value of AQ is equal to 1.5 by 1.5, which is 1. Okay, now we also know that XY is parallel to BC, which means that AX by BX is equal to AY by YC. Again by BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem. Now AX I can find out by adding AP and PX together. AP is 2 and PX is given as 1.5. So that means the value of AX is 3.5. So 3.5 divided by BX, which is given as 4 in the question. BX is given as 4 is equal to AY. AY is the sum of AQ and QY. AQ we just found out is 1 and QY we know is given as 0.75. So I would get 1.75 divided by CY or YC. Okay, so let's find out what CY is. Now CY becomes equal to 7 divided by 3.5. 7 as in when I cross multiply 1.75 with 4, I would get 7 there. Okay, so 7 divided by 3.5. So that is CY now becomes equal to 2. Okay, and we are expected to find the value of AQ plus CY. AQ we already found out is 1. And CY we just found out is equal to 2. So when you add them up, you get 3 as the correct answer. And the correct option here will be option. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.